show you really quickly how to make movable pieces on your whiteboard. Remember, if you do have a clip art or sentences that look movable in your PowerPoint, it won't show up on when you load it into your Collaborate classroom. So you have to wait until you load the PowerPoint into your classroom before you can make them movable. So the first thing you want to do is find whatever object or words that you want to make movable. So I could snip this. If I wanted the kids to label each of these properties of multiplications, I could have left these blank and then made these movable. To do that, to make anything movable, you select your snipping tool and then you just drag it around the object you want to make movable. So I'm going to make this pumpkin movable. I'm going to right click and copy it. And then I want to make sure I'm on my pointer tool and click my whiteboard, and then I'm going to hit Control V and paste it on there. And you can see now my clip art's movable. And I can resize this and make it smaller or bigger. I can even copy this movable piece and make more and just right click, paste page. And then I can put as many of them as I want. This is a great tool to use. You can put this in breakout rooms or in the main class. You just need to make sure your students have access to whiteboard tools because they need to be on the top pointer tool to be able to drag and move these around. You can also make sentences movable. So say I wanted the students to put these events in order. So we read this story together, or they read it on their own, and I wanted them to put these events in the correct order. So what I like to do when I want to make a movable piece is sometimes I'll put everything that I want to make movable on one slide, and then I'll create the next slide with the same topic, and then just move the movable pieces here. So again, I'm just going to use my snipping tool, drag it across what I want to make movable, right click, copy, and then I'm going to click Control V to paste it. And if it doesn't paste, make sure you have clicked with your mouse onto the actual whiteboard. And then again, everything's movable. So this is great for progress monitoring because you could test the students' comprehension skills or math skills, any skill that you're wanting to test no matter what grade level, and it just makes it a little bit more interactive.